Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix permanently limited PayPal account. So having a PayPal account permanently limited can be a frustrating experience, especially if you rely on PayPal for your personal or business transactions. And here's how you can address a permanently limited PayPal account. So the first way to address this problem is understanding the reason for limitation. Review the email from PayPal because PayPal typically sends an email explaining why your account was limited. The reasons can range from suspicious activity, violation of PayPal's acceptable use policy, or high-risk transactions. Now, what you can do is log into your PayPal account. There should be a notification or message center within your account that provides additional details about the limitations. So understand the reason for limitation. Now move on to the next step, that is contacting PayPal customer support. So the first way is calling PayPal. You can reach out to PayPal customer service by calling them directly, explaining your situation and asking for specifics regarding the limitation. You can use the message center if you prefer not to call. You can contact PayPal through message within your account. Send a detailed message asking for a clarification and requesting a review on the limitation. Now, the third step is social media support. In some cases, reaching out to people via their social media accounts like Twitter or Facebook can get you a quicker response. Now, moving on to the third step, that is providing required information. Submit requested documents because people may ask for specific documents to verify your identity, address, or business information. These could include a government-issued ID, proof of address, or business documents. If PayPal requests additional information, submit it as quickly as possible to expedite the review process. Now, the fourth step is requesting an appeal. When contacting PayPal support, clearly explain your situation and why you believe that the limitation was unjustified or a misunderstanding. Ask for a review because politely requesting that they review your account and consider lifting the permanent limitation can be a helpful thing. Now moving on to the fifth step, that is consider legal action. Review the PayPal's user agreement. File a complaint. Ensure that you haven't violated any terms. If you believe PayPal has unjustly limited your account, consider your legal option. In some cases, you may file a complaint with a consumer protection agency or seek legal advice, especially if a significant amount of money is at stake. Now moving on to the sixth step, that is access and withdraw your funds. Wait for the review period, withdraw your funds and close the account. Now the seventh way to address this issue is prevent future limitations. Follow PayPal's policies, avoid high-risk transactions and keep your account information updated. Now, the eighth step is consider alternative payment solutions. If PayPal refuses to lift the limitation, you may need to look for alternative payment processors like Stripe, Square, or others that fit your needs. So, by following these steps, you can increase the chances of resolving the limitation and, if successful, regaining full access to your PayPal account. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.